This is sort of a different video for me because a company called Dollar Curl Club has asked me to review a line of products and let my audience know how they work on natural or curly hair. This brand, which has a play on the word maintain, the entire line claims quality ingredients that flourishes and nourishes natural and curly hair. And now I'm going to see if this product line, Manetain by Dollar Curl Club, is going to deliver what it promises. This is the hair unit that I made from my grab bag. I purposely used different textures and colors of kinky, coily hair to see how this product line works on my hair unit. The first product that I used in this line was the Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner, which is actually a shampoo that promises to effectively cleanse the hair and provide extra moisture, which is so important when you're dealing with kinky, curly, coily hair. The second product in this line is the Repairing Hair Mask, which says it repairs and restores the strength and manageability to lifeless, damaged hair. Next, I use the Leave-In Conditioner, which is designed to moisturize, protect, and strengthen your curls. It also improves the curl pattern in unmanageable areas, and we all know if you have natural hair or curly hair, you have like multi-textures within your hair, and some of them can be really unmanageable. The last product that I used in this line was the Curl Defining Cream. I was excited to see how it would work on my hair unit because this product says that it is the ultimate solution for delivering long-lasting control and definition without weighing the hair down. Overall, I really loved this product line, Manetain by Dollar Curl Club. You can experience the same quality performance with these products. So just click my referral link in the description and you're going to automatically receive 15% off of any and all products that you order from Dollar Curl Club. Please, after you've ordered and tried these products on your natural, kinky, curly, or wavy hair, come back and let me know how you like this product. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you will always know when I'm doing something different. I may even have another product that I'm going to review in the very near future. Take care now. Bye-bye.